Once upon a time, there was a dragon with a very big problem. He couldn't stop sneezing. Every time he went to chew, a tiny puff of fire came out. First, he burned his own pillow. Then he roasted his breakfast eggs. While they were still in the chicken coop, the villagers tried giving him tissues, but they caught fire too. Finally, someone brought him a giant ice cream cone. The dragon licked it and shouted, "Yay! No more sneezes." But then he burped and set the mayor's hat on fire. Would you be friends with a sneezing dragon? Tap like if yes, and subscribe for more silly cartoon stories.